O'Reilly's. What is happening, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy with the clean shoes, fresh zapatos, the man that never misses, whatever you want to call me. Hope you guys are all doing well. I am doing great, man. Another day, or should I say another night. Another night, another blessing. We are hopping back into this video from pretty much earlier. Today is the day I picked up the car from the custom tune. So far so good. Everything is running like pretty much absolutely perfect. No hiccups as of right now. Besides, I just spin like a motherfucker. But yeah, the car has been great. Like I said, no hiccups. I mean, I've only drove it maybe like 50 miles, I would say, so nothing too crazy. Typically after you tune a car, when it has problems, it kind of has problems like right away. So tomorrow I'm actually pulling up on PQ because my exhaust came in today. So we're gonna be putting the rear section of the Valvetronic exhaust on. Super excited for that. I think it's gonna sound crazy. Really excited to get rid of that stupid ugly ass diaper we got hanging in the back. I really hate the way that thing looks. Like when you look at it from like a low angle from far away, but yeah, we got that going down. I think I'm going to go in the morning to swap my wheels because I really want to try the 18s and see how those hook up at this power. It should hook up a lot better than these ones, but the wheels are super light. Not 100% sure what my Meisters are, but I'm gonna assume they're probably somewhere maybe around 23, 24 pounds. I could be wrong, they could be more. But my 18s are 18 pounds. I mean, if it's kind of like the same thing, then I'll just put these back just because they look better. But yeah, we got a little meat we're gonna be rolling out too. I'm just waiting on Jim and maybe a few other people. And yeah, let's see what the night has in store for us. I think it's very nice. Rub-a-dub-dub. Yeah, hello? Alright guys, we rolling out. Woo! Shit look good.
Bro, that wing gotta go.
You know what? Your whole build needs to go. No burble mode. Low-key, no burbles is so nice. Oh, he shot a nice flame. Feel the power, and truthfully I feel like after this wing I do notice the car does feel a little bit more stable at higher speeds. It's like I do not feel the speed at all. Gas fucker. Where's your tone, man? Is that a tone, dog? I ain't gonna lie, I thought this was a Supra for a second. Jeez, look at that lip. This shit is clean. Okay, boy out here in the Jeep. Shit run before mine. This E92 is clean. Cambered out on the T's. with the meat. Sheesh. Blacked out. That camber though. Super clean. Okay. Camber gang, gang, gang. All right then. Yo, my boy has a Nismo 350Z wheel up front. That's funny. Clean. You guys seen this before? I think it's super clean. Oh shit! Meister gang gang. Where the T's at, dog? Oh, the Beamer boys are pulling in. Okay, Swan Neck boys. Where's your spoiler, sir? Damn, I didn't even know they sold a carbon hood for this thing. Oh, we got the buckets in there too? The little wing? Okay, got some Type R's. The red guts. Oh, look what we got over here. Got a Bupro on the M specs. Yo, check this out. This is crazy. Yo, I'm actually supposed to do a video with someone with a van like this that's supercharged, and it's actually like pretty quick. So I need to hit him up so we can lock that in. Get a little video, some like ride along footage or something. This thing would just be so funny to see something like this going fast. Frosty, where you at? Yo, check out the Evo on the Beyond. It's pretty clean. I can dig it. Oh, my boy got the center caps too and the adapters. He paid that shmoney. I like your Evo, sir. S clean. Wait, I don't know. The plate says bae. It should might be a girl. My fault, my fault. Okay, okay. The C60 Thrizzle. It's pretty clean. All over Poom. Hey, the color though on the Marrow is pretty nice. Whoa, those are crazy. Those rotiforms. Look at the big bins. Big body. Okay. Oh, the center caps ain't moving. My boy got the floating work center caps. Lost out. Bikes is out tonight. Here's that R1 though. The Easter Bunny? The Hayabusas are like, we'll catch up. Bikers are deep. We've been here for about an hour. It's kind of dying out. It's pretty chill though. Sheesh, we got all the jewels lined up. Yo, he wants me to drive his car. Let me know if you guys want to see me whip the GTI. Drop some comments. Ooh-wee. I gotta swap these 18s over tomorrow, man. See if this shit hooks up better, because this shit is ridiculous right now. I ain't going nowhere. ISF right here? Burn some more gas so I can get my mixture like on point. That's about it. burbles off right now too. I ain't gonna lie, S58 with no burbles, kind of a vibe. It's weird, so trans tune on this and the trans tune on the 340 is like so much different. The 340 was super jerky, like super jerky. Like I would downshift and the whole damn car like would basically jump. So I don't know, it's weird. And what's crazy is this is stage 3 custom and my other one was stage 2. Ooh, them downshifts though. Very nice. Oh, I could have made it. Definitely could have made that. That light was taking forever. Well guys, I am most likely just gonna end the video here. We're back up and at it in the morning. Gotta get this exhaust installed, but I'm super excited. Can't wait for that. But on that note guys, appreciate you for tuning in. I'm out.